I'm really getting bored in Singapore. What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Yeah, like I said, getting bored in Singapore, and it's another month until I travel overseas again. Yeah, so anyway, I decided to come out today to try out a new Burmese restaurant here in Funan Mall, level 7. So yeah, let's go. I seriously don't know what to do here in Singapore. I mean, there's quite a ton of things to shoot, but they all just sounds boring to me. At first I wanted to go to Jewel. That's one place that I haven't been to, explore fully. But yeah, I don't know why I end up here in Funan Mall. Here we go. Alright, I mean, so it's more like a bar than a restaurant. Most of the items are for sharing according to the menu that I've seen over here. So yeah, on the QR code it looks interesting, but I'm not gonna be having that type of meal for now. So I just went with some of like a single dish, which is pretty interesting. I'll share with you guys more later on. But yeah, it looks pretty fancy for a Burmese restaurant here in Singapore. Other than Burma Social, which I really had like a bad experience when it comes to the food itself. Yeah, this is I think like a similar concept, but the decoration itself is very for Singapore, I think it's very normal. A lot of greenery, trees, and a nice furniture and stuff like that. Very standard looking bar or bar/restaurant. But yeah, let's see how the food tastes, and then yeah, let's see how the vibe is like. I mean, the vibe when you come to this kind of like Burmese restaurant itself, the one thing you'll notice is that they play like just simple Burmese music, which we actually love. So that's one of the vibe that you will get here, and that is one of the vibe that we are looking for. So yeah, it's pretty cool to be just sitting here grabbing a drink at a bar. It's gonna be different from where I usually go to. So yeah, so first thing you notice is a little bit different from what you will experience in Peninsula Plaza, is that they got good service, I believe. So the first thing that they do, they welcome you, they bring you to your seat, and then they give you a complimentary wine. I'm not sure if this is Burmese wine, but I doubt it, because I think it's gonna be hard for them to import in. But let's try it out. Oh, it's palm wine. Okay, got a little bit of like Burmese touch, but it could be a Chinese palm wine. Probably a Chinese palm wine, but it is strong and sweet at the same time. Not bad. It's a nice touch. Cheers. Water, man. Water. Trying to change myself after that, seeing the belly. And also another thing to mention is that the price, you're gonna be amazed when you see the price. So I think because of the location and the settings and the service itself, I think you'll be paying double or even triple the price that you will be paying at the Peninsula Plaza. But I think for me as a consumer, I think it's okay. Like the things that they do, like these kind of little things, they matter when you're dining in, and I think that's something that a lot of Burmese restaurants lack. They don't just have the service, they just order and then put it on your table and then just eat, right? There's something missing about that service culture for majority of the Burmese restaurants. So yeah, I like it. I'm okay to pay a few bucks extra for this kind of service. So yeah, just letting you guys know. Alright, the food is here. So I order a fermented fish paste salad. They call it a rice salad, yeah, where they mixed up everything with rice. Comes with a huge drumstick. There you go. And yeah, this is, I believe, $16 before taxes and service charge. So yeah, it's gonna be around $20 after everything. But yeah, let's just give it a try. Oh, by the way, if you don't like spicy food, I do not recommend this because this is gonna be spicy. Cheers, guys. Oh yeah. 好，成嘢好，幾多啊？好嘅，thank you 啊。Oh my god, the chili hits you right away from the first bite onwards. So this is a very common dish in Myanmar where I would call it a poor man food. This fish paste is available everywhere, and like honestly, when I was young, I love it. I don't care if you call it a poor man's food or whatsoever, right? It's very cheap, available everywhere, and it gives you like the taste of Myanmar, you know. Why I say the taste of Myanmar is that it is salty, spicy, and sometimes we like to squeeze in lime in our rice, and we don't need anything else, you know. We don't need a vegetable dish, we don't need a meat dish. You can just eat the rice just like that, and it have all the flavors that you're looking for. So yeah, this is like a staple food in Myanmar. Every household have it. I believe everyone love it. There'll be, you know, there'll be some weird people who don't like this, but I grew up with this and it's incredible, right? I would eat this with like a fried egg, fried omelette, and just that, and it will still be a delicious meal any time of the day. I can have it, you know, 7 days a week, something like that. Anyway, let's try out the chicken. The chicken looks really, really nicely grilled. Very juicy. There's not much what's that, flavoring to it. It's just like straight up chicken, just came out of the kitchen and then they just put it on the grill. But that's the best thing, to pair it with this kind of rice, because the rice itself has so much flavor in it. And I'm seeing, like, I don't know if the camera can pick up, I'm seeing like chunks of like fish meat itself. So this is like this is more like a more premium fermented fish paste. So good, so good. So I would love to come out here with a group of friends and then, you know, try out all their bar food, barbecue. Looks really, really awesome. There's a mixture of, like, you know, Chinese cuisine and Burmese cuisine. So yeah, I'm excited to try those out. I think I'll organize another Burmese restaurant party. Hopefully this time around, I don't think it will disappoint like Burma Social did with their Burmese food. Man, I don't know. I keep saying it, but yeah. I went to Burma Social the other day to have drinks and they were amazing. It was awesome. But yeah, their Burmese food just can't make it, man. But anyway, I think I should give like other food a try, because I think they have different cuisine from all over Southeast Asia, so those might be good. But trust me, Burmese food, I think is better. Here is better, and a lot of places in Peninsula is a lot better than Burma Social, for sure. Over. And a free ice cream. Not bad, not bad. Oh, from Fair Price. Anyway, this is my first time. I can't be, giving them a, 5-star review. But I think I'm gonna come back a few times and then really, judge this restaurant. But I think this could be one of my favorite Burmese restaurant here in Singapore. Everything is good. Service good, food is good, the price is good, and yeah, everything is good. Cheers, guys. Good. So I think it's a really nice restaurant. Can't wait to come back here and try out all their other stuff as well. But yeah, that's it. I think I might be going to Marina Bay Sands area. I mean, there's nothing much I can do, right? I'm just gonna test out my drone again and then just fly around, get some nice footages, and then go home, I guess. I definitely need to get some new battery for this drone. I flew for like 15 minutes and it's low battery now. Crap. it was pretty nice to shot this on a drone, but at the same time pretty scary as well because I can't really see my drone, and yeah, it was moving right across towards the tree. And yeah, I mean, I was tilting it up, but then it was still risky for me to fly at that speed, or even if it's like a slow one, it's still risky. And there's quite a lot of structure around here due to the NDP right around the corner in August. So yeah, pretty risky, tight situation to fly a drone, but I think I got some cool shots, so happy with that. So I was just walking back to the MRT. I'm actually going back home now, and this stretch of bokeh and the skylines of Singapore, I think it never really gets old. It's always beautiful any time of the day. And yeah, and by the way, the the area that I just fly my drone is actually a no-fly drone, no-fly zone for the time being, because of the temporary restricted area due to the National Day Parade. But I just flew mine for like 15 minutes, and yeah, nothing really happened. There were no security or whatsoever, so and no warning either, so safe. Anyway, I said it was boring in Singapore, but I'm pretty sure there's a lot of fun things to do here in Singapore. There's a lot of places to visit, and there's a lot of places to eat actually. But yeah, I don't know. For someone who grew up here, I'm not just that excited anymore with all the things. A lot of the restaurants that are coming up with new ideas, new restaurant, new food, new activities, they're just, I don't know, getting bored. Maybe I'm just going out too often, maybe. But yeah, that's just my feelings, okay? But there's quite a lot of things to do here in Singapore, even though it's like a small little country, so there's quite a ton of things to do, and it's not boring. Honestly, it's not boring. You just need to have the right friends, the right activity, the right food, and it's pretty cool. Nice country to be in. So yeah, I just want to put it out there before I end the vlog. Yeah, probably end the vlog here. Nothing much for me to do out here apart from going back home, have a rest, and then start my day again tomorrow. There's a lot of things to do, so yeah, gonna go home, rest up, and then prepare for the next day. So that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.